Hey YouTubers, welcome to Bearded Cars workshop, and welcome to also Barckerville Auto Repair. Well, here's 1960 Chevy you've seen in the previous video. Yeah, we our shop, we couldn't find a box of the truck. Just wasn't one kicking around, and we decided we needed a truck for doing repairs and such, going out in the field and stuff. So we decided to put a flatbed on it, and we put a welding rig on it. It's a motorized welding rig, and also a hoist, and it has compartments on the sides and so forth. It's been in the mud a little bit already, so the welder there, it's powered by a flathead 4-cylinder. We just dug it up out of an old car that was in the back there and stuck it in there. So yeah, works pretty good. So we pretty much weld up anything from basically 1/4 inch to 1 inch plate, no problem. Our welder has lots of power for that. It's also a generator too, so we can do anything we want out in the field. So yeah, we refurbished the drivetrain of the truck, and we fixed some rust repairs that had to be fixed on it, put some different wheels on it and so forth. Yeah, so otherwise, other than that, this project is done. So now we have a decent truck now for doing repairs out in the field if need be. Some rancher or something wants me to come out, wants our business to come out here and wants our truck to come out and do a welding job, either fix a frame on a truck or farm equipment or whatever. We have the truck to go out and do the welding job with it. And compartments in the truck too to keep all their welding supplies and whatever we need, so it's all good to go. So yeah. Still a good old truck. Anyways, I thought I'd show this build to you guys, and see what you guys think. And yeah, I'll have another project coming up soon. Just getting this one here all finished up and buttoned up. And also going to be probably doing a buddy build with someone from YouTube community pretty soon. And maybe we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube in a while. Should have turned the camera around. You see my ugly mug. Anyways, sorry, I apologize guys for not being on, not doing a whole lot of models and posting on YouTube. Been busy and been trying to get my my truck driving license, because I have to get a bigger truck for the farm here. So I've just been studying that and doing that kind of stuff. You know, life gets in the way sometimes, and hobbies have to be put on the side. So alrighty, well, see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.